Have you ever walked away from your Volkswagen thinking you already knew everything it could do? What if I told you that some of the smartest features in your car are quietly working in the background every day, yet many owners never discover them? Modern Volkswagens are packed with clever engineering that goes far beyond getting you from one place to another. Some of these features make driving more comfortable, some improve safety, and others simply make everyday life easier. By the end of this video, you'll probably want to walk outside and test a few of these tricks on your own car. Let's jump in and uncover 11 hidden Volkswagen features that many drivers overlook. One of the most useful surprises starts with something you already carry every day, your key fob. Most people think its only job is locking and unlocking the doors, but on many modern Volkswagen models, it can do much more. If your vehicle supports the feature, pressing and holding the unlock button for several seconds can lower all the windows at once. Models equipped with a sunroof may even open that as well. Imagine walking toward your car after it's been sitting under the summer sun. Instead of opening the door and being greeted by a wave of trapped heat, you can let the hot air escape before you even reach the driver's seat. On many vehicles, holding the lock button performs the opposite action by closing everything again. It's a simple convenience that can make the cabin noticeably more comfortable before you even start the engine. Volkswagen also pays attention to details that many people never think about until they need them. Some models include surprisingly clever storage solutions built into the cabin. Depending on the vehicle, you may find hidden compartments in the doors, under the seats, or inside the center console that are designed for everyday items instead of random clutter. Certain Volkswagen Group vehicles even feature specially designed spaces for storing an umbrella, allowing water to drain away rather than soaking the interior. It's a small touch, but it reflects the brand's philosophy of making daily driving more practical instead of simply adding flashy technology. The infotainment system is another place where Volkswagen hides more functionality than most owners realize. Beyond the familiar navigation, media, and phone controls, many systems include advanced diagnostic information and customization options intended primarily for technicians. While the exact menus vary depending on the model and software version, there are often settings that allow deeper personalization of display behavior, audio preferences, and vehicle information. Exploring these menus carefully can reveal options you never knew existed. It's important not to change unfamiliar settings, but even viewing the available information gives you a better understanding of how much technology is working behind the scenes every time you drive. Now here's a feature that solves a problem almost everyone has experienced. You pull into a gas station and suddenly can't remember which side of the car the fuel door is on. Before looking around awkwardly or pulling up to the wrong pump, glance at your instrument cluster. Next to the fuel gauge is a small fuel pump symbol, and on many Volkswagen models, there's an arrow pointing toward the correct side of the vehicle. It's one of those tiny details that saves time every time you fill up. Volkswagen also simplifies refueling by eliminating unnecessary levers in many models. Once the vehicle is unlocked, pressing on the fuel door allows it to open, while locking the vehicle secures it again. Fewer moving parts often means fewer things that can wear out over time. Replacing windshield wipers is another task that becomes much easier once you know Volkswagen's hidden service position. Normally, the wipers rest beneath the edge of the hood, making it difficult to lift them without risking contact with the paintwork. Many modern Volkswagen models allow the wipers to move into a maintenance position shortly after the ignition is switched off. Once activated, the blades stop in an upright position where they're easy to access. Suddenly, a job that might have felt frustrating becomes quick and simple. During winter, this position can also help prevent the blades from freezing directly onto the windshield overnight. Electronic parking brakes have changed the way many people drive, yet plenty of owners still use them exactly like traditional handbrakes. Volkswagen designed these systems to work with you instead of requiring extra steps every time you move. In many situations, fastening your seatbelt, selecting a gear, and gently pressing the accelerator automatically releases the parking brake without touching the switch. On hills, the system often works together with hill start assistance to briefly hold the vehicle in place while you move from the brake pedal to the accelerator. Instead of rolling backward, the car gives you those extra moments needed for a smooth and confident start. Safety has always been an important focus for Volkswagen, and one hidden feature demonstrates that perfectly. Inside the trunk of many modern vehicles is an emergency release handle that glows in the dark. While most drivers hope they never need it, This simple device allows the trunk to be opened from the inside without relying on electrical power. The glow-in-the-dark material makes it easy to locate in darkness, while the mechanical linkage ensures it still functions even if the battery is discharged. It's a reminder that good engineering isn't only about convenience, it's also about preparing for unlikely situations before they ever happen. Modern Volkswagens rely heavily on electronic throttle control rather than traditional mechanical cables. This system allows the engine computer to interpret pedal input with remarkable precision. Over time, some owners notice that throttle response feels slightly different than when the car was new. While maintenance remains the most important factor in keeping the vehicle performing well, many enthusiasts discuss ignition-on calibration procedures that may help synchronize electronic components after certain repairs or battery disconnections. Regardless of whether you perform any reset procedure, maintaining a healthy battery and keeping the vehicle properly serviced plays a much bigger role in preserving smooth throttle response. The instrument cluster contains its own hidden surprises as well. During startup, many Volkswagen models perform a quick self-check of the gauges and warning lights. Watching the display carefully reveals how every indicator is tested before driving begins. Some vehicles even include built-in diagnostic display modes that technicians use when inspecting the dashboard. Although the exact method differs between models, these tests demonstrate the amount of engineering devoted to ensuring every gauge and warning system works correctly before the vehicle leaves the factory. Drivers equipped with adaptive cruise control often appreciate how the system maintains distance from vehicles ahead, but fewer people realize just how sophisticated it has become. Rather than simply holding a fixed speed, the system continuously analyzes surrounding traffic and adjusts acceleration and braking to create a smoother driving experience. Different drive modes can influence how responsive the vehicle feels, and settings often allow drivers to select following distances that match their personal comfort level. Instead of replacing the driver, these technologies are designed to reduce fatigue during long highway trips while still requiring the driver's full attention to the road. One final feature quietly protects your vehicle every day without asking for any attention. Modern Volkswagens contain dozens of electronic modules that remain active even after the engine is switched off. To prevent unnecessary battery drain, the vehicle intelligently manages these systems when parked for extended periods. Certain non-essential functions may reduce activity until the car is used again, helping preserve enough battery power for reliable starting. The process happens automatically, so most owners never notice it. Yet this intelligent power management is one more example of how much thought goes into the ownership experience beyond simply building an engine and four wheels. When you step back and look at all these features together, a clear pattern begins to emerge. Volkswagen engineers often focus on solving everyday problems in subtle ways rather than drawing attention to them. Whether it's making a hot car easier to cool before you climb inside, simplifying fuel stops, helping you replace wiper blades without frustration, assisting you on steep hills, or quietly protecting your battery while the car is parked, these innovations are designed to blend naturally into daily life. They don't shout for attention. Instead, they quietly improve the ownership experience one small detail at a time. The most interesting part is that every model year introduces new technology, software improvements, and convenience features that many owners never fully explore. Spending a little time reading your owner's manual, exploring your vehicle's settings, and learning how your specific model works can unlock capabilities you never knew were available. Sometimes the smartest feature isn't a flashy screen or a powerful engine. It's the thoughtful engineering that saves you time, reduces stress, and makes every drive just a little more enjoyable. So the next time you get behind the wheel of your Volkswagen, remember that there may still be hidden capabilities waiting to be discovered. The more you learn about your car, the more you'll appreciate the careful design choices that often go unnoticed. If even one of these features was new to you, there's a good chance your Volkswagen has even more surprises waiting to be uncovered. Keep exploring, drive safely, and enjoy getting the very best out of every mile behind the wheel.